Hi, dear students. Welcome to Maths with Panindra. Here we are discussing about AP model paper. We are in section D. Hi, dear students. We already completed in AP Maths model paper 1, section A, section B, section C. Section D also within 45 minutes I am going to finish. Well, because among all the 8 questions in section D, question number 33 to question number 40. Answer any 5 questions. Each question carries 8 marks. So 5 8s are 40. So this is the major part to get the pass mark or highest marks out of marks. This will play very important major role. Most of the students are requesting to make the video in Telugu language also, but most of the people they are requesting from not only in AP, from PG or TS, they are asking to explain in English. Nowadays, you people also. That is the reason and continue with the same scenario. So this is the major section to get the good marks in your intermediate first year examinations, especially AP students. Let us have a discussion here for question number starting from 33. But I have selected question number 39. It is a little lengthy problem related to statistics. Here the question is the diameters of circles in MMS, that means millimeters, drawn in a design are given below. Diameter is given, number of circles also given. Here, if you observe that class intervals, it is not continuous. 33 to 36, 37 to 40, 41 to 44, 45 to 48, 49 to 52. It is not continuous. If you make this as continuous, like this calculation, here 33 to 36, how can I write is 32.5 to 36.5. Just I am changing the little changes from 36.5 to 40.5. Next 40.5 to 44.5, 44.5 to 48.5, 48.5 to 52.5. So this is continuous. Later frequency 15, 17, 21, 22, 25. If you add these, you will get n. N is equal to sum of the frequency. Next, mid value of the class interval. So 32.5 plus 36.5 divided by 2, you will get this one. Okay, 34.5. Next, 36.5 plus 40.5 by 2, you will get 38.5. Next, mid value of this interval. Mid value of this interval. Mid value of this interval. This I am denoting with xi. Later, multiplying these two and write it as fi xi. So 17 into this value, 21 into this value, 22 into 46.5, 25 into 50.5. So sigma fi xi, sum of these values, 4350.0, that means 4350. Sigma fi xi. Next step, xi minus x bar whole square. X bar means mean you can calculate after completing of this one. Mean equal to x bar equal to 1 by n into sigma fi xi. So 4350 divided by 100. You will get 43.5. So mean value we got it. Later mid value minus mean value. After that square. So mid value is 34.5 minus 43.5 whole square. That means 9 will come, 9 square, like this it is. 38.5 minus 43.5. So it will be 5. 5 square, 25. 42.5 minus 43.5. 1 square, so 1. 46.5 minus 43.5. Therefore 3 square. 3 square is 9. 50.5 minus 43.5 will get 7. 7 square, 49. After that you can add all these values, xi minus x dash whole square. So you get this 165. Later, fi frequency into xi minus x bar whole square. Why? Because to get the variance, fi into xi minus x bar whole square, we need to do that. So 15 into 81. Next 17 into 25. 21 into 1. 22 into 9. 25 into 49. These values. 12, 25. If you add these sigma fi, this is sigma fi xi minus x bar square. This value it is, students. So variance sigma square equal to 1 by n into sigma fi xi minus x bar square. 1 by 100 into 3084. That is equal to 30.84. So after that they are asking standard deviation. Standard deviation, mean deviation, about this. Mean deviation also completed. Next, standard deviation is root sigma square, that is equal to sigma. So root of 30.84. Root 25 means 5. 30 point something means 5.5 approximately. So 5.55 is standard deviation. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. We'll move on to other questions. 39 is only little like statistics. It will take to draw the figure and squaring. No, that's the reason we did it that way. We'll move to next question. Yeah, we'll move to next question. Starting with 33, we will come back. Question number 33. Determine the quadratic equation, quadratic function f defined by f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c if f of 0 is equal to 6, f of 2 is equal to 1 and f of minus 3 equal to 6. So you are going to calculate f of x value. See, according to the condition, first f of 0, f of 2, f of minus 3 calculate these students. So given f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c, keep that equation number 1. put x is equal to 0 in 1, we get f of 0 equal to 0 plus b into 0 plus c. So f of 0 value is given as 6. So c value you got it as 6. Since f of 0 equal to 6. Next, put x is equal to 2 in 1, we get f of 2 equal to a into 2 square plus b into 2 plus c value. C value is 6. So f of 2 value is given as 1. 1 equal to 4a plus 2b plus 6. Since f of 2 equal to 1. Okay, students. 6 bring this side, minus 5 equal to 4a plus 2b. Keep that equation. Later we'll give that equations. Put x is equal to minus 3 in 1, we get f of minus 3 equal to, why minus 3 means according to this, dear students. So a into minus 3 whole square plus b into minus 3, c value 6. F of minus 3 value is given as 6, 9a minus 3b plus 6. Both sides 6 get cancelled and write since here f of minus 3 equal to 6. So 0 equal to 3 take common, 3a minus b. 3 also bring this side, 3a minus b. From this we can conclude that 3a is equal to b. So this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. Equation 3 substitute in equation 1. Equation 3 substitute in equation 2. We get, so minus 5 equal to 4a plus 2 into, in place of b, 3a we are replacing. So minus 5 equal to 4a plus 6a. Minus 5 equal to 10a. That implies a is equal to minus 5 by 10. That is equal to minus 1 by 2. So a value is minus 1 by 2. Whenever a value minus 1 by 2, b value we can calculate now. Substitute in 3. So therefore b is equal to 3a. So 3 into minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Therefore b is equal to minus 3 by 2. Later b value we got it, dear students. A value, b value, c value we got it. A comma b comma c values substitute in equation 1. We get f of x equal to a value minus 1 by 2 into x square. Next b value minus 3 by 2 into x. C value 6, which is the required quadratic polynomial or quadratic function. F of x equal to minus 1 by 2 x square minus 3 by 2 x plus 6. Okay, dear students, we'll move on to another question. Please like and share if you, those who are watching. Why? Because it reaches to more people. They are going to get benefit. In this month, they are going to write exam AP intermediate students. As soon as completing this, I will start in this week by Thursday. Model paper 2 also we are going to start that. Model paper 2. I'll move this. Question number 34 next. But this section will play very important role to get good marks or full marks. Whatever the way you can consider. Question number 34. Prove that sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x is equal to 4 cos x into cos 2x into sin 4x. So they are asking to prove this result. So very good question, dear students. Thank you for see first how to do this type of problems is first consider LHS. While considering LHS, observe carefully, dear students. Here x plus 7x 8x 3x plus 5x 8x. So sin 7x sin x you take as one set. Sin 5x plus sin 3x you write as one set. See sin 7x plus sin x. To apply sin c plus sin d, dear student, that's what. Next sin 5x plus sin 3x. So we know that sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So first two terms, 2 sin c plus d by 2, 7x plus x, 8x by 2. Otherwise, one more step I'll write. Why? Because most of the students, they will get clarity on this. Next, cos of 7x minus x by 2. So first term completed. Now come to the second term. 2 sin 5x plus 3x divided by 2 cos 5x minus 3x divided by 2. So which is equal to 2 into 7x plus x, 8x by 2 is 4x. So sin 4x cos 7x minus x is 6x by 2 is 3x plus 2 into 5x plus 3x is 8x by 2 4x sin 4x cos of 5x minus 3x is 2x by 2 is x, so cos x. 2 sin 4x take common from both the terms, 2 sin 4x. So rest of the terms cos 3x plus cos x. Again we have to apply cos c plus cos d formula. Cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So which is equal to 2 sin 4x into 2 cos 3x plus x by 2 cos 3x minus x by 2. So which is equal to 2 sin 4x into 2, 3x plus x is 4x by 2 is 2x. So cos 2x into 3x minus x is 2x by 2 is x. So cos x. So 2 into 2 is 4. First cos x into cos 2x into sin 4x. This is required RHS, dear students. Only thing is here we applied cos c plus cos d, sin c plus sin d. That's what. Yeah. Is there any possibility to give hypes? Please, you can give it hype. I'm going to rub this. Next question number 35. I will put these pictures in YouTube poster. In that also I will make it with the proper link. Question number 35. Find the sum of the following series. Find the sum of the following series. Up to n terms. Up to n terms. 5 plus 55 plus 555, that means 555, plus and so on up to n terms. Up to n terms. See here, dear students. First, the given series you have to write. Let us assume that S is equal to 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus and so on up to n terms. Later, what I am doing is 5 I am taking common. If we take out common 5 from every term, it comes as 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus and so on up to n terms. We decide what is up to n terms. Whenever ones come here, you understand this, students. Here, multiplying and dividing by 9, it comes 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus and so on up to n terms. Later, 5 by 9, 9 can be written as 10 minus 1, 99 can be written as 10 square minus 1, 100 minus 1. 1000 minus 1, that can be expressed as what? 10 power 3 minus 1 and so on up to n terms. Up to n terms means how can we write like this? 10 power n minus 1. So 5 by 9. First you write 10 plus 10 square plus 10 power 3 plus and so on up to n terms. This is one series, dear students. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Like this, minus I am taking common. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on up to n terms. Till here, I hope you understand. We observe that this first bracket value is geometric progression. Sum to n terms in GP. Sum to n terms in GP. Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 if r is greater than 1. By observing, r means what? Common ratio. T2 by T1, T3 by T2. If you take that, r value is what according to that? Here I am writing, dear students. Here r is equal to 10. R is absolutely greater than 1, no? So even a is equal to also 10, first term. So this bracket value we are writing as 10 into 10 power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. So 10 into 10 power n minus 1 divided by 9. So the first bracket value filled with this information, dear students. This one. So 5 by 9 into, in place of this first bracket value, we are keeping this. What is the value? 10 into 10 power n minus 1 divided by 9 minus 1 plus 1 plus and so on 3 times is there means 3 will come. 5 is there means 5 will come and so on up to n terms means it will be n, dear students. So multiplying by 5, 5 by 9 into 9 is 81 into 10 into 10 power n minus 1 minus 5 by 9 into n, 5n by 9. So later we can write it as 5 into 10 is 50. 50 divided by 81 into 10 power n minus 1 minus 5n divided by n. This is the required sum of the series. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. This is the way you can. Those who are watching, please like and share. If you like this video, it reaches to more people. That is my intention to tell in that way. From Thursday onwards, model paper 2 also, I will cover that. Yeah, we are going to drop this. Next question number 35 is over, next 36. A straight line passing through q of root 3 comma 2 makes an angle pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 180 by 6, that is 30 degrees, dear students. With positive direction of x-axis. If the straight line intersects the line root 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 at a point P, then find distance PQ. This is a good question conceptually. First, you need to read the question thoroughly and maximum you try to draw the rough figure accordingly. Okay, first see here, a straight line passing through the point Q of root 3 comma 2. This is the straight line passing through Q of root 3 comma 2 and makes an angle pi by 6 with positive x-axis. This is, I am taking x-axis in positive direction means this is angle pi by 6, 30 degrees. This is theta, dear students. Okay, this is L is equal to 0 line. a straight line passing through Q of root 3 comma 2, making an angle pi by 6 theta degrees, 30 degrees or pi by 6 with positive x-axis. If this straight line intersect the line somewhere else, this is another line. What is that line? Root 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Intersect at the point P. So they are asking to find this distance. This distance they are asking. This distance I am taking as, let the distance be PQ equal to R. So whenever the distance we are assuming as R, here we learned in straight line concepts parametric equations of the straight line. So if the given point Q we are taking as x1, y1, R is given here, distance we are assuming that, and theta is 30 degrees. So by using, so whatever we discussed that you write as the steps. A straight line L equal to 0 passing through Q of root 3 comma 2 and making an angle theta equal to 30 degrees or pi by 6 with positive x-axis and intersect the line root 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 at P of x comma y. So how can you find P of x comma y here? So by using parametric equations of straight line, P of x comma y equal to, you know the formula for parametric equations of the straight line, x1 plus or minus r cos theta, y1 plus or minus r sin theta. Wherever x1, y1 is there, this given point, you write it. Here r means PQ only, so plus or minus, instead of that, x1 value is root 3 plus mod r, you take it, dear students, plus or minus r, you take it as. Cos theta means cos 30 degrees. Y1 is 2 plus or minus means mod r into sin 30. So root 3 plus mod r into cos 30, root 3 by 2. 2 plus mod r into sin 30, 1 by 2. So we observe that x comma y P point, P lies on this line also, no? This is P of x comma y, P lies on this line. Since P of x comma y lies on root 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. So wherever x comma y is there, replace, this is x value, this is y value, dear students. So root 3 into, in place of x, root 3 plus mod r by 2 into root 3 minus 4 into 2 plus mod r divided by 2 plus 8 equal to 0. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus root 3 into root 3 is 3, 3 by 2 into mod r, minus 4 into 2 is 8, minus 4 by 2 means 2 into mod r, plus 8 equal to 0. Minus 8 plus 8 get cancelled. 3 plus 3 by 2 mod r minus 2 into mod r equal to 0. So except the 3 remaining values, bring this side. 2 mod r, bring this side 2 mod r. This bring this side minus 3 by 2 into mod r. So take mod r common. 2 minus 3 by 2. So mod r into 4 minus 3 is 1 by 2. So cross multiply, 6 is equal to mod r. What is mod r? Represents distance bq. That is pq is equal to mod r equal to 6 units. Therefore, the distance between p and q is equal to 6 units. I hope you understand, dear students. According to the question, you try to make the rough figure, then only you will get the idea to solve that. So whatever you want, you require, please write in the comment box. In my free time, I will help you. Question number 37 next. Next question number 37. Find the equation of circle passing through the points, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. So this is 8 marks question, dear students. It's a good question conceptually. Let the required equation of circle be, let the required equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Keep it as equation number 1. Equation 1 passing through first point 3, 4. In place of x and y, c replace with 3, 4. 3 square means 9 plus 4 square 16 plus 2 into g into 3 means 6g plus 4f plus c equal to 0. So 25 plus 6g plus 4f plus f equal plus c equal to 0. Equation number 2. Next, equation 1 passing through. What is the second point, dear students? 3, 2. So 9 plus 4 plus 6g plus, sorry, this is 8f, dear students. 2f into 4, no? So this is 8f, this is 4f plus c equal to 0. So 13 plus 6g plus 4f plus c equal to 0. Keep it as equation number 3. Next, equation 1, passing through one comma 4. So 1 plus 16 plus 2z plus 8f plus c equal to 0. So 17 plus 2z plus 8f plus c equal to 0. Equation number 4. First, we are going to simplify equation 2 minus equation 3. Equation 2 minus equation 3. What is equation 2 here? 25 plus 6g plus 8f plus c equal to 0. Next, 13 plus 6g plus 4f plus c equal to 0. Minus, 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 minus. These two will be cancelled. 25 minus 13 is 12. These two also will cancel. 8g minus 4f is plus 4f. So that implies that 4f equal to minus 12, f equal to minus 3. Later, equation 3 minus equation 4. 3 minus 4. That implies 13 plus 6g plus 4f plus c equal to 0. 17 plus 2z plus 8f plus c equal to 0. We are subtracting. Better to do 2 and 2 minus 4 is good, no? 2 minus 4 is good. So 2 equation you have to write it. So 25 plus 6g plus 8f plus c. Plus c minus c get cancel. 8f minus f cancel. 25 minus 17 is 8 plus 4g equal to 0. That implies 4g is equal to minus 8. G is equal to minus 2. So g value we got, f value we got. Substitute in among these. So this is the smallest one. So f comma g values substitute in equation 3. So 13 plus 6 into minus 2 plus 4 into minus 3 plus c equal to 0. 13 minus 12 plus c equal to 0. 13 minus 12 is 1. 1 minus 12 is minus 11 plus c equal to 0. C is equal to 11. So g comma f and c values substitute in equation 1. We get x square plus y square plus 2 into g value minus 2x plus 2 into f value minus 2. So minus 3, dear students. Minus 3 into 1, c value plus 11 equal to 0. So therefore x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0, which is the required equation of circle. Okay, dear students, will move on to another question. Question number 38. We'll move to question number 38. 39 we finished now. compute limit extends to 0 sine of pi sine square x, sorry, pi cos square x by x square. In this, I think this is 4 marks. Another question is also 4 marks here. Second one. For the function f of x, equal to x power 100 by 100 plus x power 99 by 99 plus and so on plus x square by 2 plus x plus 1, then prove that f dash of 1 is equal to 100 into f dash of 0. So that is, we have to prove these students. See, in limits is a good question. One of the JEE Mains question also it is. Limit extends to 0 sine of pi into cos square x can be written as 1 minus sine square x, no? By x square. Limit extends to 0 sine of pi into 1 is pi minus pi sine square x divided by x square. Sine of pi minus theta, we have the formula. Sine of pi minus theta equal to sine theta. So numerator value will become limit extends to 0 sine of pi sine square x divided by x square. Okay. What I am going to do is, we have the result. Limit extends to 0 sin x by x value is 1. Okay. Here pi coefficient is sin square x is there, no? As x tends to 0, sin x tends to also 0. Not only sin x tends to 0, sin square x tends to also 0, dear students. So here what I am doing is, limit x tends to 0 sin of pi sin square x by, here sin square x is there means in denominator compulsory sin square x we have to get it to apply this formula. So sin square x you have to multiply and sin square x you have to divide. Multiply and divide with sin square x. After that x square is there, no, as it is we are writing. Next, limit apply for this function, limit apply for this function. Limit extends to 0, instead of that sin square x tends to 0 I am writing. Sin of pi sin square x by sin square x. This is one limit. Limit extends to 0 for this. Both are having square now. So limit extends to 0 sin x by x whole square. Here we have formula. Limit extends to 0, here only I will write it. Sin ax by x is equal to a. So this value. Here a value is pi in this. Pi, first bracket value. This value is 1 square. So which is equal to pi. So first question answer completed, dear students. Now come to the second question. In second question, for f of x, we need to calculate f dash of x first. So given function f of x, differentiate with respect to x. F of x derivative is f dash of x 1 by 100 into x power 100 d by dx of x power n, d by dx of x power n into x power n minus 1. So 100 into x power 100 minus 1, 99, plus 99 into x power 98 divided by 99, plus and so on. 2x divided by 2 plus x derivative is 1 plus constant derivative is 0. So after simplifying, you are going to get f dash of x is equal to x power 99 plus x power 98 plus and so on plus x plus 1. Okay, dear students. Now put x is equal to 1 in the above means f dash of x. X is equal to 1 if you substitute till here 99 terms plus 1 is also there now. So f dash of 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus and so on plus 1 plus 1. Till here 99 terms are there plus 1 term. So total 100 terms. So f dash of 1 is equal to 100. Next, put x is equal to 0 in the above one. F dash of 0 equal to all the terms 0 except. So f dash of 0 is equal to 1. From these two we can conclude that f dash of 1 is equal to 100. 100 can be written as 100 into 1. So 100 into 1 can be written as f dash of 0. So hence proved f dash of 1 is equal to 100 into f dash of 0. Hence proved. So they are asking to prove this result to dear students. We got it now. So question number 39 is already over. Next, the last question that is related to probability. First we'll write the question after rubbing the board. So question number 40, in that A, one card is drawn, for writing this question only, from a well-shuffled card, well-shuffled deck of, well-shuffled deck of cards, deck of 52 cards. If each outcome is equally likely, calculate the probability that the card will be, first one, a diamond card, second one, not an ace card, third one, not a diamond card, not a diamond. Fourth one, not a black god. See, dear students, once you read the question, this is only 40, a question only, dear students. Question, read thoroughly. What information provided? See, question, total how many cards are there? 52 cards are there. In this 52 cards, 26 red, 26 black. In that 26 also diamonds. So total how many diamonds cards are there? 13 diamond cards are there. So first question answer we are going to write it. E be the event of selecting a diamond card. Total cards are there what? So P of E is equal to E for all one we are taking. This is E1, this is E2, this is E. These two are related to same only, is diamond. E1 be the, here I am writing E1 related to diamond card. According to our convenience, we are writing, dear students. Next E2 I am taking for not ace card. E2 ace card will take ace card. Next E3 black card. Not a black, after that we'll see. P of E1 is equal to total how many diamond cards are there? 13 diamond cards are there. So 13 C1. E1 is selecting of diamond cards. So 13 C1. Before that, I want to write N of E1 is equal to, so 13 C1. N of S is equal to, total how many cards are there? 52 cards are there. From that one card we are selecting. So therefore the probability of selecting a diamond card P of E1 is equal to N of E1 divided by N of S. So 13 C1 means 13, 52 C1 means 52. So 13 by 52 is equal to 1 by 4. 13 was 13 4. So first question answer completed, dear students. So the probability of selecting a diamond card is 1 by 4x. Immediately third question also completed. Third question. Why I am writing third question is related to diamond only. So we know that P of E1 plus P of E1 complement is equal to 1. What is E1 complement? The probability of selecting not a diamond card. So P of E1 complement is equal to the probability of selecting not a diamond card. So that is equal to 1 minus P of E1. So 1 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 4. So P of E1 complement also completed. So P of E1 1 by 4. Next, second one. Not an ace card. What is ace card? n of A2. How many A scores are there? 4 A scores are there. So n of E2 is equal to 4C1. Selecting out of 4, 1. 4C1. N of S. So out of 52, you can select 1, that is 52. So the probability of selecting A squared, probability of selecting an A squared equal to n of E2 by n of S. So 4 by 52, which is equal to 1 by 13. But the question is not an A squared. So again, we have P of E2 plus P of E2 complement is equal to 1. So I want P of E2 bar. So not an A squared. The probability of not an A squared. Equal to 1 minus P of E2. So 1 minus P of E2 means 1 by 13. So 12 by 13. So P of E2 bar equal to 12 by 13. Next row, question number 4. Not a black card. How many black cards are there? 26. So n of E3 is equal to 26C1. So which is equal to 26. N of S 52C1, that is equal to 52. Therefore, the probability of selecting a black card, so equal to n of E3 by n of S. So n of E3 means what? 26 by 52. 26 ones, 26 twos. So P of E3 1 by 2. So P of E3 plus P of E3 complement is equal to 1. P of E3 complement 1 minus P of E. So which is equal to 1 minus P of E value is 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2. What is P of E3 complement? The probability of selecting not a black card. Probability of not black card. Okay, students, I hope you understand all 4 questions completed. We'll move to 40 question A. B question. That is the last question in this session. If E and EF are events such that P of E is equal to 1 by 4, P of F is equal to 1 by 2, and P of E and F is equal to 1 by 8. Find P of E or F P of not E and not F. So question. So first the given data we are writing here. P of E is equal to 1 by 4. That implies P of not E, that means E complement, 1 minus P of E. So 1 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 4. Similarly, P of F is equal to 1 by 2, that implies P of F bar equal to 1 minus P of F. So 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, students, I hope you understand. Next, P of E and F. So that means P of E intersection F is equal to 1 by 8. So from this data, we write it as first question. P of E or F, that means P of E union F. By addition theorem on probability, P of E plus P of F minus P of E union F. Here by addition theorem on probability, addition theorem on probability. So P of E value is 1 by 4 plus P of F is 1 by 2 minus P of 1 by 8. So LCM is 8, 2 plus 4 minus 1. So 5 by 8. This is about P of E union F or P of E or F. Now come to the question number 2. P of not E and not F. So P of not E means E complement and means intersection and not F bar. So P of E bar intersection F bar by using De Morgan laws. So it will be P of E union F whole complement. Like this you have to write, otherwise E like this also we can write these things. Both are same, dash or complement. So 1 minus P of E union F, that is equal to 1 minus P of E union F value, we got it as 5 by 8 now, which is equal to 3 by 8. Therefore P of not E and not F equal to 3 by 8. So we finished our session, dear students. Till here, section D we completed. Section D. So all the first model paper contains 4 sections: section A, section B, section C, section D. Today we finished section D also. From Thursday onwards, again section A, model 2 paper. These 2 model papers, if you thorough, this is the first year they are giving now. That is the reason we can expect the questions, some questions from the same model papers of whatever it is given in a textbook. I am expecting the students, those who are watching, please like and share. If you really like these videos, please share to your friends and relatives. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Mass with Panindra.